Hello everyone, and in this video I'll show you the process of signing up for Lloyds Bank online banking. But first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So without further ado, let's dive in. So to begin the registration for Lloyds Bank online banking, go to lloydsbank.com. Then click on login, and once there click on the register option. Upon selecting register, scroll a little bit down and click on register here for online banking. Provide your first name, last name and date of birth as per your bank account details. Confirm your email, indicate your residence in the UK, enter your postcode and provide your account details including account type, sort code and bank account number. After agreeing to the term and condition, click continue. The next step involves verifying additional details, such as your passport or driver's license. Once verified, you will reach a page where you can create your username and password. Complete these steps, you will be all set. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.